Good morning to one and all. My name is G. Somesh and I am from AC Brands. Today's topic about major working invention and concept. What is maser and who invented? Maser is a device that produces a coherent electromagnetic waves through amplification by stimulated emission. The word maser stands for microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. The first maser was built by Charles H. Townes, James P. and Herbert J. Jigger at Columbia University in 1953. Concept: when the electrons are emitted from the lower energy band towards higher energy band by pump input, the, pop, the population inversion takes place at the higher energy band. Now the electrons falls back towards the lower energy band. At this time, they emits photons which generates microwave frequency. The generation of frequency produced by the photons depends upon the gaps between the energy bands. In case of matter, their gap is created by different methods. For example, the magnetic flux in case of ruby laser. Working of maser. Maser works on the principle of stimulated emission of atoms from an excited state to the ground state. When the microwave is incidented on a cavity containing excited atoms, it triggers the atoms or molecules to radiate energy with the same wavelength as that of incident wave. Uses of maser. Maser is used in satellite communication. It is also used in air-to-air communication. We use the maser in radio telescope. Maser is also used in radar technology. Maser is used as an amplifier and oscillator in microwave in those components or equipments where low noise factor is of the most importance. Types of maser. There are different types of maser designed for amplification and oscillation of microwave frequencies, in which the following types are widely used. Ruby maser, traveling wave maser. Ruby masers are very low noise preamplifiers used in microwave receiving of the deep space intermission facility and the deep space network since 1960. Traveling wave maser. A wave in which the particles of the medium move progressively in the direction of the wave propagation with such a graduation of speeds that from the fast overtake the slower and are themselves in turn overtaken. Compare standing wave. Thank you.